冷焊机冷焊刺头一边和焊制正前方捏好米的距离，截成约翰米之后，确认这个焊点都有往下抬着走。
Cold welders can weld many materials. Less than break zero to greater than in addition to conventional steel, iron, copper, and aluminum. Less than break 0 greater than conductive metals such as silver, titanium, brazing. Less than break 0 greater than and tantalum can be welded. The cold welding machine is not cold first and then welding, but first welding and then cold. The cold part is the workpiece. In simple terms, whether it is welding repair. The cold welding machine can achieve low residual temperature on the surface of the workpiece after welding. It will cause thermal deformation and discoloration due to high temperature. Cold welding machine can reach the accuracy of laser welding and welding accuracy, for example. Welding 0.08 mm stainless steel without penetration, deformation and discoloration. On the corners of the welding mold, it can melt 0.2 mm diameter welding wire without undercutting. The welding process of cold welding machine belongs to fusion welding, which is different from common laser welding, which only welds the surface of the workpiece. Generally, the welding wire used in laser welding is mostly a few tenths of a millimeter. In high-power cold welding, the machine can melt the welding wire up to 2.5 mm at a time. In the welding industry, the cold welding machine mainly welds plates with a thickness of 0.08 mm to 5 mm to ensure a certain strength without deformation and discoloration. For thicker plates, the penetration depth of a cold welder cannot maintain high strength after welding, so it is also called a thin plate cold welder.